All right, thank you, Catherine, for that informative report. Experts in the research field have been urged to deepen exploration of opportunities lying in the blue economy sector as means to tackle unemployment, promote environmental conservation, foster diversity, inclusion, and ensure food security. The call was made by educationists, innovators, industry leaders, and policymakers who gathered in Mombasa and emphasized on the need to engage in discussions centered on entrepreneurship and innovation for a resilient blue economy.
For this particular region, we want to develop our coastal centers as centers of excellence in the blue economy. And so the purpose for this theme is for us to be able to achieve this so that our researchers and our students can be able to focus on how we can be able to use research and innovation to build up the marine environment and also to be able to actually contribute into the policy debate about the blue economy.
As such, conceptualizing this research to know the specific aspects of maritime logistics, including sustainable shipping, the regulatory frameworks, and the innovations around it, will help us to know what to capitalize on, where to invest, and how to invest to support a sustainable and resilient blue economy.
Mine was to create awareness also, initiative also in creating awareness and also preventing the pollution that people are doing. So it's a very great day and I'm very happy that I have been given this chance to present my system.
Ahead in sports, Kenya Lionesses begin Cape Town's challenge